Let's make a new genre of animation by cranking the FPS up to 165. We can call this ultra speed. How's it going, everybody? This is Sebastian here from the Noble Frugal Studio. You definitely can't see how smooth this is. Oh, something is amiss here. I got this idea from XPPen's brand new Artist 24 Pro Generation 2 Ultra Speed display. Let's see how it works. Whoa, okay, way too fast. I forgot we're animating at such a high frame rate, but that's the fun of animating at ultra speed. Your work has much higher energy. Now, admittedly, this really wasn't my idea. This is inspired by XPPen's brand new Artist 24. This is updating their Artist 24 series. So why would anyone spend this much money on a drawing tablet? Because you're not going to upgrade. After all, as a professional illustrator, you're going to be using this every single day in, day out. This is not a hobbyist drawing tablet. It takes a while for a tablet of this size to come out. Companies don't release these very often. The last one they released was in 2020. Wow, and it works the exact same way. Not a bad looking tablet either. I waited 4 years for them to refresh this Artist 24 Pro design. Let's see exactly how they've done. Both of these tablets have 2K resolution. The old one is noticeably brighter than the new. These are both set to sRGB, I believe. This display maxes out at 60 Hertz. This one 165 Hertz. The surface of the new Artist 24 Pro is much more paper-like. Take it, I don't have these drivers installed, but the drivers can't change the actual surface of the tablet. It's not fully laminated, and it feels more like you're drawing on a piece of glass. Very smooth, not the best for pen control. The new 24 Pro has XPPen's new XPaper technology. The screen has a matte surface, so more pen control, more paper-like feel. It's also better at diffusing light. So if you have a light bar on your desk, the new one's gonna be better at anti-glare. The new one is much larger in size than the old one. That was unexpected. While the innovations did not come in slimming down and making the device more light, it did come in performance. The build quality of both of these devices are great. In 2020, this wasn't really lacking in any sort of structural integrity, and the new one is the same way. Of course, the new one has more of a Wacom look with the large bezels and the minimalist design. We don't get any shortcut keys. They both have pen clips. The old one has the one on the side. These ones have the clips on the top, which are stationary. They don't move. That's nice. While the new aesthetic is definitely preferable, less is more when it comes to a large device on your desk. The old one doesn't look bad. Now, the huge upgrade here is we're talking about the pen. Here are the pens side by side. The old one having 2 buttons, plastic nib, and the new one having 2 buttons, an eraser, and also plastic nib, but you can also change that out for a felt tip nib. Now, the improvements that have been made have been on the surface of the tablet and the nib, and we're talking the plastic nib as well. Now, if I use this second pen on the old surface, I'm still getting a more paper-like feel. Go back to the old pen, feels more like glass or drawing on acrylic. So you can see that the innovations in the new 24 have been made in the pen and the surface of the tablet, and those combined make a great paper-like drawing experience. It's very comfortable to draw with, and that's the biggest selling point with these large 24-inch tablets. You have much more space to draw, and the drawing surface is not moving. So what about some cons of the new generation? Like we mentioned earlier, not very bright. All of XPPen's tablets that have the nice paper-like drawing feel tend to be more dim. I'm not an expert, so I don't know if that's connected, but that's what the trend seems to be. The new display comes with a certified color calibration sheet, so it's been calibrated, Kalman verified for professional standards. The old one doesn't come with that. You also have the new XPPen Color Master app that works only for the new Artist 24 Pro Gen 2 displays. There you can use a colorimeter to make sure you're getting accurate colors. Is the upgrade worth it? If you're now using the Artist 24 Pro from 2020, should you upgrade to the Gen 2? The drawing experience on the new tablets is next level. They perfected it over the course of the years with the Artist Pro 16, 19, 22 Plus. The new XPaper technology works. Again, with these displays, you're not looking to upgrade once you buy these. So the concern is, when it comes to the resolution of this display, 2K may not be enough for a pro level drawing tablet. So there's actually two versions of the Artist Pro Gen 2. Let's take a look. So here are the new Artist Pro 24 Gen 2 tablets side by side, 4K on the left, 2K on the right. 4K edition has a regular refresh rate of 60 Hz. And yeah, I guess there is a small difference when it comes to just kind of flipping back between these two. Sharpness, resolution when it comes to these two displays. Can you really notice the difference? Yes, because of these are drawing displays, you're usually not going to use them at the distance that I'm sitting right now, reviewing them. You're going to be much closer. The main consideration you have between getting a 4K or 2K display is the format that you're going to be exporting animations in. Of course, higher resolution is a future proof. The 4K is more useful to me because if my video player is not as large, is not taking up the entire screen, I can still see it in a 2K resolution. That's not to say that the 2K version isn't good though. Maybe you really just don't need the extra resolution. If you're into drawing and playing games at high refresh rates, this actually might be the more ideal choice for you. This one's definitely a more general use monitor with that high refresh rate. This one, on the other hand, is a more standard traditional high mid-range drawing tablet. Are these two displays, either one, enough for a professional workflow? Color accuracy is very important. These came in a bit green. I did adjust the colors to match them to my BenQ PD2700U. Using the Windows color calibration tools. At the moment I don't have a colorimeter, so that's pretty much the only baseline I can go off of is my video editing monitor. I find that XPPen displays either come in a bit green or a bit magenta in tint. If you don't have a colorimeter, or you don't have a monitor to use as a baseline to correct these displays, you may be compensating for that in your artwork, which is not what you want. Overall verdict of these tablets is that they're absolutely fantastic. The drawing performance on these new displays is better than any XPPen product I've ever used. The combination of the drawing surface resistance, the option between using felt nibs and plastic nibs, along with the sturdy build of this tablet and its height adjustability, it's a very good deal for the price. XPPen sent me these products to review, but would I buy these with my own money? No. And that's kind of sad because I would have never really experienced what a high mid-range drawing tablet would be like. When it comes to investing in equipment, I usually go for the budget options. But if I did know that these displays had this great of a drawing experience, I think I definitely would save up the money to get at least the 2K version. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to XPPen for sending these displays out for review. If you guys have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them about these two displays in the comment section below. Thanks for watching once again. Thank my patrons. Check out my drawing course, $1 a month. In the most recent episode, I talked about how to draw in 4 dimensions. That's possible. Check it out here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Peace.